Then I see flowers, green grass and leaves, and hear the bird song through the wood. With the other joy I hold in my mood. My song rises, grows, springs up and weaves, and nothing seems of worth to me unless one wants both love and glee, since all things us rejoice and gladden thus. Do not think I'll tire of joys, discuss or stop for harm I've suffered before, for I have no power to take me from love's store. Love assails me, lords over me, and makes me love whatever pleases her and more. And if I love what shouldn't come to me, love's force makes me do brave deeds, you see. But in love no man is mastery, and he who seeks it courts in a villain's way. For love wants nothing that shouldn't hold sway, poor and rich both from one nobility. When one lover would hold the other low, love can't stay with pride, that so pride falls, and true love leads the march. Stiffens most her arch, and flee from her who gave me gentle state. For since that time I've seen nor me nor my mate. So well she knows that she would ever catch me in her welcome, but I do her right. I make myself seem foolish in love's sight, for I stay so far from the one who ignores me. I don't see her face, but it's always the way the fool acts in folly's place. And it will never be that he won't pluck the branch that beats and strikes him. So I have cause to blanch, for I once envied another's love. But by the faith I owe my lady and my fair seeing, if she turns my hope to good from suffering, I'll never do her villainy again. May she never have a heart that's cruel or vain, nor believe bad counsel against me, for I am her liege man wherever I be. So I give her my gage above her reign. I come to her with folded hands at her pleasure, and I never want to move from her measure, till by mercy she puts me where she undresses. The water from my heart that wets both my eyes is good surety that I pay for my folly's guise. And I know well my lady takes damage if she won't forgive me, since I'm not my own, and she has me in power. She loses more than I've known in my fall. So it's right she pleads gently with her man. I send my messenger to my fair sea, and she who took my sense and knowing take my lady from me. So I don't see her again, friend Tristan, since I cannot